Hello, boys and girls. This is Mash Tater here. It's snowing outdoors, so my outdoor flying's put on hold while it's snowing. So we're coming indoors today to you. I got this Meteor 65, and it seems to fly really fast indoors. Throttle management is an issue, but I'm trying to get used to it. Um, I've got a little wobbling around with it. It seems to wobble a little bit. I don't know if that's me on the sticks or what. It seems to recover from crashes better than the brushed motors. Whoops! So I really like that aspect of it. So it's just a matter of keep practicing and practicing with it to get better. Well, there's Santa Claus right there on a motorcycle. So he wants to go outside, but it snowed before I could put him out. So um, enjoy the rest of your video.
Shaking it twice, it's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you'll be